Imagine a world long before our own, where the Salisbury Plain lies vast and silent. As the sun peeks over the horizon, its first light touches a circle of colossal stones, standing as silent witnesses to the dawn of history. This is Stonehenge, an icon of ancient Britain and one of the world's greatest enigmas. For thousands of years, these stones have guarded their secrets, leaving us to wonder, who built this incredible monument and why? The story begins over 5,000 years ago, with the people of the Neolithic Age. These weren't kings or pharaohs, but communities of farmers and builders, working together with a shared purpose we can only guess at. Using tools made of bone, antler, and stone, they undertook a project of immense scale and dedication. They dug the massive ditches and banks that form the earliest parts of the site, marking the land for something truly special. But the real marvel lies in the stones themselves. There are two main types here. The smaller ones, known as bluestones, are remarkable not just for their size, but for their origin. Geologists have traced them all the way to the Preseli Hills in Wales, over 200 miles away. Imagine the monumental effort of quarrying these 4-ton rocks and transporting them across land and water, using nothing but muscle, ingenuity, and sheer determination. Then came the giants, the sarsen stones. These behemoths, weighing up to 30 tons each, were brought from about 20 miles away. They were then shaped and raised into the iconic trilithons, two upright stones with a lintel on top, that defined Stonehenge's silhouette. This was a feat of engineering that would be challenging even today. So, what was it all for? This is where the mystery deepens. One popular theory is that Stonehenge was a temple, a sacred space aligned with the movements of the sun. On the summer solstice, the longest day of the year, the rising sun aligns perfectly with the main axis of the stones, flooding the central altar with light. Was it a place of worship, celebrating life and the changing seasons? Another compelling idea is that it was a sophisticated astronomical calendar. The precise arrangement of the stones could have been used to predict eclipses and mark celestial events, a guide for ancient astronomers. And yet another theory suggests it was a place of healing, a prehistoric Lourdes where people traveled from far and wide seeking cures for their ailments. The discovery of ancient burials, some showing signs of illness and injury, lends weight to this idea. As we look at Stonehenge today, silhouetted against a sky filled with countless stars, we're left with more questions than answers. Was it a temple, a calendar, a place of healing, or something else entirely? Something we haven't even imagined? Perhaps its power lies not in a single purpose, but in all of them combined. The one thing we know for sure is that Stonehenge remains a powerful symbol of human ambition and our eternal quest to understand our place in the cosmos. Its true story is a puzzle locked in stone, waiting for the day we finally find the key. Thanks for watching, and if you love exploring history's greatest mysteries, don't forget to like and subscribe.